Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 5 trading brokers you guys need in 2025. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out our school. It's awesome. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've used over the past 7 years. So check it out down below, and you guys can get 51% off by using code XMS24. So check that out, and guys, let's jump into this. So having a good broker will really help separate you from other traders. Now, in my personal opinion, all these brokers that we're going to be talking about today are going to be commission free and they're going to be fee free. So you're not going to have to pay monthly for them. All right, so let's move on to broker number 1. Broker number 1 is going to be the broker that I use on the day-to-day. This is my trading broker. It's Mumu. They're awesome. They offer great charting, scanning, indicators. They have the AI monitor, which is their new artificial intelligence monitor to help monitor stocks with opportunity and stocks on your watch list. Also, they do have something called paper trading. So if you're still learning to trade, you guys can do it with ease because you don't have to risk real money. You can help your entries, your exits, your risk management skills, and they offer fraction shares. Mumu does have something called the Moo, which is like their Facebook for traders. So if you want to ask questions or see what other traders are doing, you can do it there. The biggest drawback to Mumu is the only account you guys can have is a standard broker's account. This is a trading broker. It's not a retirement account or anything like that. If you're going to Mumu, you're looking to trade, and that's exactly what it is. It's not retirement or anything like that. They do have features like DRIP, which is dividend reinvesting, but I use it for trading. All right, broker number 2 here is going to be the one, the only Thinkorswim, backed by Charles Schwab. This one here is a fantastic broker. It does have a little more account types that you guys can have, ranging from IRAs to a standard broker's account. But Thinkorswim is going to be the trading platform. They offer really good charting, scanning, and more importantly, what I actually like is it is a little easy to use. It's not going to be overwhelming or anything like that. It's basic features, right? Basic charting, basic indicators, and it's a great broker. Thinkorswim does offer paper trading as well, so if you're still learning to trade the market, you can do it with ease without risking real cash. Also, they do have a lot of great insights, and one of the things that I love about Thinkorswim is they actually do have a really cool education feature, so if you're still learning, it's like a little mini course inside the platform, which is cool if you're still learning to, trade the market. All right, let's move on to broker number 3. So broker number 3 is going to be the one, the only Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is one of the most popular brokers out there. And the reason why is because this thing is suited for traders. It does offer great charting and scanning and indicators. It does offer advanced risk management tools and a wide range of asset classes. Interactive Brokers, in my opinion, is best suited for traders who are looking to diversify their portfolio. Interactive Brokers is a fantastic broker and a broker I would highly recommend. All right, broker number 4 is going to be the one and only Webull. Webull does have that same commission-free trading, like we said, but it's also very user-friendly. You're not going to be overwhelmed or confused about the platform. It's simple to use. It does offer extended trading hours and free access to level 2 data, which is really cool. This is going to be great for beginner traders that are still learning to trade the market and want to have the mobile capabilities of maybe being on the go so you guys can get in and out of positions. Most of these brokers that we talked about today do have both mobile and web-based applications. All right, the 5th and final broker I want to talk about today is going to be the one, the only Robinhood. I have to have a list with Robinhood, especially with their new trading platform that they have called Robinhood Legend. Now, Robinhood obviously is definitely suited for more of the on-the-go users that are still buying and selling stocks. Maybe if you have like a full-time job and you're still learning to swing trade or trade the market, and you can do it with ease there. The bigger issue that I face with Robinhood is how they make money. They make money off of order flow, so you're actually never getting the best available price because they're always going to be selling that stock at a cheaper price to the market, and that's how they make money, which is fine. But as you become a, more of an active trader, those small pennies could add up to hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, over the course of a year. But Robinhood is very simple to use. You're not going to be overwhelmed by the platform, and they do offer fraction shares as well. And given that you guys can have both an IRA account, you guys can have a standard broker's account, and trade cryptocurrency, it's kind of like the best of both worlds. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we're going to make videos of all these breaking down a full review of each one. So stay tuned for that. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And don't forget, if you guys want to sign up with any of these brokers, I'll put a link to them down below. So we'll see you guys. Like, subscribe, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.